Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if Meta Business Suite isn't uploading your photos or videos and the upload just keeps failing and getting stuck, don't worry because this is a very common issue and here are some of the solutions or the fixes that you can try. So the very first thing that you need to do here is to simply check the file size and the format. So, because many of the upload problems happen due to the format or the size limits, just make sure that your video is in the MP4 format and the images should be in the JPG or PNG. Now, if your video is very large, you can try compressing it slightly. The oversized files often fail without giving you the error message. So, this is the very first thing that you need to do. Now, if you find that your videos and your images are in the proper format, but still you are facing this type of problem, you can just try this second fix in which you just have to basically fix your browser related glitches. So in many cases, the problem isn't Meta, it's basically your web browser. So first of all, you need to refresh the page. If that doesn't work, you can clear the browser cache and cookies. For that, click on the three dots on the top right hand corner, then come inside your settings. In the settings of your web browser, look for the option of cache. Now here you will find the delete browsing data option. Here simply select the last 24 hours or the last 7 days. Then click on the option of delete data. So the temporary data conflicts frequently break the uploads. You can try this method. But if the issue still continues, you can open your Meta Business Suite in another web browser. For example, if you are using Chrome web browser and even after clearing the cache, the problem is still there, you can just simply open it in your Edge or in your Firefox web browser. So this alone going to fix a surprising number of upload failures. Now, you can also try this third method in which you just have to disable the extensions or the ad blockers if you are using them. The browser extensions often interfere with the meta uploads. So temporarily disable the ad blockers, the privacy tools or the script blockers, and then you can try uploading it again. So these are some of the fixes that are going to solve most of the Meta Business Suite upload problems. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.